Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to download and how to install the OBS Studio. The OBS Studio is used for video recording. Almost all YouTubers use the OBS Studio for video recording. Come to the laptop and open the Google Chrome. And type the OBS. Simply type the OBS and then click on the enter button, and this is the main website of the OBS Studio. OBS stands for the Open Broadcaster Software, and this is the home page of the OBS Studio. Click on the home option, and there are three options available for Windows, for Mac operating system, and for Linux. I want to download OBS Studio for the Windows, and click on the window option. You can see here, and this is the download process of the OBS Studio. This is the path of the OBS Studio. You can see here, this is the download button, and this is the size of the OBS Studio. And finally, click on the download button. The download will start here, and it will depend upon on the internet speed. The OBS Studio has been completed. The download has been completed, and then finally click on the folder icon. And you can see here, this is the installer.exe file of the OBS Studio. Right click on it, and then click on the open option, and then click on the next button. This is the, you can see here, the installation of the OBS Studio is so simple. And you can see here, these are 4 steps for the installation of the OBS Studio. Click on the next button, then click on the next button again, and click on the install button, and then finally click on the finish button. You can see here. So I have already downloaded the OBS Studio in my system. So open the OBS Studio, click on it, and you can see here, this is the main page of the OBS Studio. In the next video, I will explain to you the basic usage of the OBS Studio. If you have any question about the downloading and installing of the OBS Studio, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.